Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Ryan Ray, your Boise real estate agent here. We're in Eagle. We're going to be taking a look at a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, about 2,000 square foot single family home here in Eagle, under 700,000. And it's a pretty good representation of what under 700K gets you in Eagle. My clients in particular are stepping down from a much larger home. Their kids have moved out and they're looking for something that's much less maintenance. The main owner suite needs to be on the first floor, which this one has. So we're gonna go take a walk through it right now. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate you. Thank you. All right, that's it. That's the end of the tour. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback. But that's a representation of what's for under $700,000 in Eagle. Eagle is a highly desirable, highly sought after community, well established. This house in particular was close to all the local amenities, the great school districts at Eagle, and its location was just amazing. So what I loved most about the home was the view of the backyard, where you could see the lake across the street, and the low maintenance. I mean, if you're not looking to pick up a bunch of chores, then this house may just be for you. It's an active listing right now, so if you'd like to see it or if you have questions, reach out and give me a call. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. See you next time.